Hey everyone, welcome to West Coast Muscle Saws. We're looking at a Stihl MS460. It's got a run issue when it's warm. And I've got this tester here that's a very vintage tester. You know, some tools are ageless and some are priceless. This fits both those categories. And this apparatus, you're able to test the chainsaw in a vertical and a horizontal position, mimicking a falling a tree or bucking a tree. And I use this real consistently when I have some issues with chainsaws that the complaint is when it's hot, there's a run issue. I'm going to run it first in the horizontal position there and get it warm. We'll be using my tachometer and my heat sensor. If you can ever find one of these, boy, you should pick it up. They're just dynamite. Got a brake on the downside there that I can adjust how much I want this saw to work. And I'll be adjusting that, and I'll hold the throttle wide open, but I'll be adjusting that brake, and I'll change the RPM or the workload. Running it under load, I drop the RPMs under load to right at 8,000 RPM. Do a vertical test now. We're at 253 degrees on the top fins. (292 degrees on the top fin. If you really want to test the heat or the ignition on these, you will take a piece of heavy cloth, it'll catch everything on fire, set over there and let it set for about 10-15 seconds. That makes that heat really increase on that engine, and then we'll restart and we'll see if it fires under tremendous heat. Passes all the tests, the oiler's working, this saw is ready to go. If you got any questions on this, you know how to get hold of Chainsaw Guy.